been so long. And also, there's good news, there's bad news as well. Got some really bad news. The winds are really picking up. It's almost at its full extent, full power. But it's almost at full power. You can see the effects that it's doing. All the snow's on the tree as well. And all the snow's on the ground. I can't even see the road. You done right, Mario. Ah. And it's really dark in the bathroom. There's a ton of snow up there. Well, good news. It's really warm. This thing appears to be working. And we haven't lost power at all yet. There's still traces of fall out there. Snow's really starting to come down hard. Well, that can't be a good thing, Mario. I mean, what the heck are we supposed to do? I don't even know. I have no idea. I mean, we gotta find different parts of the procedure to do. I mean, what else could be precautionarily do? Backup battery's good. Oh, it's really dark in here, man. I know it's getting dark real quickly because of a storm. There's no light coming in from above at all. It is usually still daylight at this hour, even for this time of year. Oh my goodness. What the heck? What was become of out there? It's like 3 or 4 inches of snow. The heck? This can't be right. Oh my goodness. And all you viewers can clearly see it's still falling. The snow's everywhere out there. And this is really serious. You better get the snow shovel. Look, I don't pay you to shovel the snow. And I'm not gonna go out there either during a storm. Frank, it's at a weak spot right now. You should take this as an advantage. Well, I'm not. I have to wait till after because, you know, there's just gonna be more snow piling on top of where I've already shoveled. Which means shoveling is useless in a storm like this. Because the snow's just gonna keep accumulating where I shoveled, and there'll be snow there again. So, it's best to wait until after the storm is over to shovel. Oh, whatever. Also, I don't think we're gonna be leaving the apartment building at all. Because of the road conditions. Well, it's possible later tonight. And right now, the roads are already covered, so That guy over there's got a snowblower. Lucky for him. But I don't. All we have are shovels. Well, don't worry about it. We'll find a way to deal with this. I'm sure we will, hopefully. But, hold on. Let's take a squat here. Are you just gonna sit around and do nothing? Basically, I think it's best to just weather the storm out by now. Because it's almost halfway, because it's almost at its full extensional power. Even though it's gonna continually increase through the night. Well, can't affect us that bad. Hope it won't affect us that bad. They said it would, as it gets later and later today. Well, I'm just hoping that doesn't happen. I really hope that doesn't happen. No one comes to this house without paying the price. Ah! There. Got rid of that nuisance. Oh, what the heck was it? Is it one of those mosquitoes or fleas or something? A bug on the window. But we don't have time to mess with bugs and insects. We are in a serious snowstorm. And what's worse is that now it's a blizzard. And right where we are, we get maximum accumulation. Well, I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? I need something to do. He's coming all the way down here. Well, I think that... Frank! Oh, Wario! I was just sitting down, now you injured me. Just about. You're gonna pay for this. No, Frank, no. Oh! Don't make me start beating you up. I'm fine, what is it? That's the guy with snow blowing. He's coming down this way. I mean, oh, he did come down over here. Hey! Dang it. God, I thought we had a chance of getting our snow blown away. Now that's gone. Dang it. Well, can't worry too much about it. Actually, that was our only chance to get rid of some of the snow that is covering up our driveway. And the road. And the grass. And everything. Well, we have our own snow shovels. Why don't we just do it ourselves? I mean, you can't always get people to do the work for you. So you gotta do it yourself. I suppose you got a point. However, I gotta put on some clothes. Come on here. I think there's something in my sweatshirt. Yeah, my sweatshirt. My watch was in there as well. Okay. All dressed. Alright, so this video appears to be coming to a close. So, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to get to the next part, tap the next video, or you can click it if you happen to be using a computer. So, thank you.